As a dentist, your patient's oral health is your primary concern. NatureZone protects patients who wear oral appliances from health-threatening organisms by making it quick and easy to clean and purify their appliances. NatureZone requires no messy or harmful chemicals or liquids, making it a genuine green product. It cleans and deodorizes in only 3 minutes, and it uses proven ozone and UV technologies to kill 99.9% of bioactive organisms that can lead to serious health problems. Available exclusively from Henry Schein Dental, NatureZone is the fast, effective way to purify your patient's oral appliances and protect them from infectious and inflammatory disease.